Hi guys, welcome to my channel Torres Family in the Philippines. So I'm here now to present to you this uh, lot for sale here. Lot for sale here. This lot for sale here is containing area of 5,000 meter more or less. Overlooking lot for sale here in Talibon, Bohol, Philippines. Along the Barangay Road. Side of coconut trees included. It's almost flat right here. And the price of this is package deal. Package deal of 700,000 pesos. 700,000 pesos package deal for the area of 5,000 square meter. Sea view. Sings province of Cebu and mini island. It's included. They were there. It's no problem about signal, very good signal. No problem about electricity. No problem about the road. Near in the sea also. The distance from here going to the sea is only 1.5 kilometers. 1.5 kilometers distance from here going to the sea. And also, the distance from here going to Poblacion Talibon is I think more or less 7 kilometers or 8 kilometers. I think 8 kilometers or less than 8 kilometers distance from here going to Poblacion Talibon. See from here the ocean, province of Cebu, many islands. See from here. Okay, that's all for now. And if you like or interested to buy this um, nice location, sea view overlooking lot for sale here in Talibon, Bohol, Philippines, just call my cell number 0928-269-5367 and my email address anali@gmail.com. And again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more incoming videos. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.